Hello and welcome back to another episode on How Logical. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to cancel Netflix subscription. It's a quick and easy video, so make sure to watch this video until the very end to know exactly how to do it. Now to cancel subscription, firstly head over to the Netflix app and make sure to get logged in to your account. Now from the home screen of your Netflix, tap on profile icon at the top right. And now here choose account option. Now once you're in account section, all the details of your Netflix account will appear on your screen. Now from there scroll a bit down and there you will be able to see cancel membership button. Tap on that button and it will take you to the next page where it says that cancel or change your membership in one click. Whatever you choose, it will affect on this in this date. You still be able to watch until then, and if you come back within 10 months and your preferences and settings will be waiting. Now tap on finish cancellation button if you want to cancel your Netflix subscription, and it will only affect on this date. Until that date you can watch Netflix. Now tap on finish cancel button, and that's the only way to cancel your Netflix subscription. If this video helped you out, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.